Today we're going to be checking out the Traxxas 4-Tec 3.0 Corvette Stingray.
Team Canada.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm SeeJayAre, and today I'm joined by
Andrew
and
Teddy.
A little quick there, huh, Ted? Quick on the draw there, Teddy boy. And today we're looking at the Traxxas 4-Tec 3.0. This is the brand new vehicle, the latest vehicle from Traxxas. And this time we've got a Corvette Stingray body. Now, we owned the Traxxas 4-Tec 2.0, which was the Ford GT. And we had a lot of fun with that. That's actually the only road car.
We had
Yeah, I think
we
that.
get another one.
Nope, that's the only official road car that we have. So we don't have a great spot to drive road cars. The pavement outside our house is actually pretty rough, but we've got a decent sized driveway that should handle this car. So we're gonna go out, once we take a look at the box and the car itself, we'll go out, add a battery to this, of course, and give it a quick rip in the driveway. But stay tuned for more videos on this. We'll be doing a speed run, all that kind of great stuff. Maybe we'll upgrade it with the VXL motor eventually. If you want to learn more information about this, check out the links in the description below or grab one for yourself. Huge thank you to Traxxas for sending this over for us to check out. All right, looking at some of the specs on the box. Ooh, molded LED ready headlights. Those are gorgeous. Molded brake calipers. Very cool. Molded side air intake. Black chrome exhaust tips. Molded LED taillights. So definitely a car that'll be great for adding a light kit to. Waterproof electronics, of course. We've got the Titan 12-turn 550 motor and the XL5 ESC. Pretty standard. Up to 30 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour on this one. Gorgeous box. On this side, we've got the red, blue, and black. Blue looks really nice too. They all look really nice. It's kind of a tough decision. I will mention that, of course, you're going to need a battery, one of the Traxxas LiPos to get this running. Runs on 2S LiPo. So should we open this up?
Yeah.
Okay. You got the knife? Can you pop the tape there very carefully? Just open the flap there. Ted, you hold the box down and Andrew will pull it out. It'll be a surprise as to what color we got. Let me see it.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got the red. I wasn't sure which color I wanted most, to be honest. I think I wanted anything but black. I think the black is gorgeous, but we have a lot of
Black cars?
yeah, and I just kind of wanted something with a little bit of color. Okay, hold on. Let's put these flaps down first, Andrew.
You gotta do it slow.
Okay, here, Ted. Watch the mirrors.
Take it slow.
Whoa.
Look at that.
So now this, I believe, is like, but I know it's definitely larger than the 4-Tec 2.0. What a gorgeous body.
Look at that.
So the previous body, the Ford GT, was very nice. I'm going to go on a limb here and say that this is a much nicer looking car. Even better than the last one.
Look at that.
Look at the paint job on that.
Yeah. Look at the engine.
That's where the trunk is, isn't it?
No, that the trunk is up here.
Oh, that's called a frunk. Yeah. Why don't you tell us what we have in there?
We have the manual
Yeah.
and some car pieces.
Some parts. Looks like some maybe shock pieces there. Just some information on which batteries are available. Really nice manual here. Ooh, full color manual. Very nice.
You get stickers.
This is the warranty stuff. I don't know. Is there decals in there, Ted? I don't know. What do we have here? We got the little guide on the manual itself, or sorry, the radio. This is the warranty stuff here. Okay, Ted. And then we've got some parts. Doesn't look like we have any.
No.
Andrew loves decals. Andrew, can you pull the radio out of that box? All right, we got a problem here, guys.
We got some dust.
I don't know how to get where are the body clips? How do we get this body off?
What?
All right, Andrew has solved the riddle here. There's actually little latches that keep the body on.
So wait.
This I was not aware of.
Is it like
Here, I got longer fingers, so I'll get the one at the back. You just kind of reach under, and Andrew's got the one at the front.
Right here, and you just press it.
Ooh. All right, so on the 3.0 version, I can already tell that it is noticeably longer chassis. We've got a awesome foam bumper here with
Yeah, I've never seen these.
Yeah, these are very common on road cars. It's kind of like a foam bumper, so it takes a lot of the impact if you smash into something.
Yeah. And what is this?
This is just some information probably on the ESC, yes. You can see the little molded brake calipers in there. Very cool.
Ooh, wow.
We've got the Titan 12-turn motor and, of course, the XL5 ESC. All right, Andrew, do you want to pull the radio out there? Yeah. Let's show them the radio.
Well, I was seeing it at first, and it was a little bit dusty.
Was it?
Yeah. So it says top qualifier.
Top qualifier, TQ radio, they call this.
They got the foam. Nice.
Pretty standard for Traxxas. Foam wheel. I don't know. Looks pretty nice to me.
Let's ride.
Ted, do you want to ride? You don't want to ride? All right, battery's charged. Love this clip system here. If you've got the right battery, it can be super easy to get your battery in there. Pop that in. Okay, that's secure. Plug this guy in. Oh, there we go. Got my seat.
Okay.
Ooh, servo feels pretty decent. That body on. Look at that, it just clips right in. It's on there good too.
Really?
I really like that.
Whoa.
So 30 miles per hour for a car this size. Feels pretty zippy.
Whoa. Wow.
The handle's amazing. This grip. It actually feels quicker than I expected it to. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing and first run of the Traxxas 4-Tec 3.0 Corvette Stingray. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on this amazing vehicle. If you want to grab one of these cars for yourself, check out the links in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and till the next episode. Remember to
Like
and
subscribe.
see you guys.